Hey girl, and welcome back to the Pink Bubble. Today is day 5 of our 7 days of love, and today we will be talking about the 5 love languages. Oh my god, I didn't even realize that coincide with the days, but that is what we will be talking about today, breaking them down, learning to communicate with the person that you're with, or even your little babies, communicating with them in a better way based on how they love, what they expect from love, based on how you love, what you expect from love. So today my outfit is butterflies with the blue look for you and the blue shoes, just because I feel like butterflies means change, and I feel like this whole process of the 7 days of love has been like pretty therapeutic for me, just talking to y'all and also learning new things, freeing your mind. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, so love languages are a fun way to understand how you love and how you communicate, and I really love taking this test. So the first love language is words of affirmation, and no, I'm not going in any specific order. I'm just going off the top of my head based on what I know. So, words of affirmation just means that you are the type of person that loves to hear you're doing a great job, and oh my God, you're so beautiful, you're so wonderful. Just all those words that will encourage you in any type of way. If you're feeling down, or if you're just not feeling maybe yourself at that moment, words of affirmation really just picks you up and it keeps you going. You thrive off being rewarded and acknowledged for everything that you do. And nothing is wrong with that. I used to actually be really strong in words of affirmation because I do need you to tell me how wonderful I am. I need you to let me know how you feel about me in your words, okay? Let me know what it is. I love to hear it. I loved to hear when I was doing a great job and everything. Like, oh my God, Mariah, you're so awesome. And I'm just like, I know. The next one is physical touch. So physical touch is basically the type of a person that needs you to touch them to make their whole energy just change, and your life just shifted and you knew who he was when he touched you on your face. You love that person to person contact. You love the skin to skin contact. You love kissing, hugging, cuddling. You love, if you take it a step further, you love all that too. The next one is receiving gifts. So, ladies, I'm sure we all love to get a real good gift from our men. And some men like to receive gifts too. So receiving gifts just means that you love to come home to a gift. You love surprises. You love a person showing you how much they thought of you through some type of gift, some type of small token that shows that you are loved, that you are appreciated, and things like that. It could even be coffee from Starbucks if that's your thing. You love to just receive gifts, and nothing is wrong with this, sis. The next love language is quality time. So you love spending time with whomever you love. You love the quality time spent together, the one-on-one talks, the deep conversations, the pretty much spending your whole day and all your time with that one person or your kids or whoever that means the most to you. And I wonder if y'all will be able to automatically tell what my love languages is based on the videos that I've made this week so far and what I'm saying right now. Let me know if y'all got dead on which love languages are mine. And the last one is acts of services. So this just means that you love people to show action, do something without you telling them to do it, or basically, shoot, words mean nothing if it ain't no action behind that, okay? And I think that the acts of services one is people that are more practical and people that are just like, okay, just do it, you know, get it done. Let's go type of people. Those type of people. And nothing is wrong with that because you like to just get it done, get it over with. Let's go, let's move on to the next thing. So knowing your love language is, for me, it's a really fun way to really learn about yourself and get to know how you show love and what you expect when receiving love from your partner, from your family, and from your kids even. So I think I literally made everybody in my family take this test. If you don't know anything about what the hell I'm talking about, it's a test online that you can take. And I'm going to leave the link to this test. So you can take this test for yourself, make your spouse take it, and take it with your kids as well. Because on the website, it has different little categories where you can do your kids, your spouse, if you're single, or anything like that. So make sure once this video is done, don't go do it and click off my video, okay? But once this video is done, go ahead and click on it and see what your love language is. It's so fun. It's super fun to really just have that time to be like, yeah, I am like this, or yeah, you do this, and even your little kids. So in taking this test, you'll be able to really learn about yourself, what you expect, your expectations. And I think for those ladies that are still single, you'll be able to know and communicate more effectively and be comfortable when dating, because you're going to already know and get it out the way of what you expect out of a man, what you expect out of any type of relationship or companionship that you want, desire, or already have. And I also feel like it will also eliminate the this is just how I am, excuse. And you'll really be able to know and understand why you show love this way and why other people show love the way that they do, and how you can merge and work out y'all differences and collide and bring it together and just be one big happy family. So my number one love language is quality time, of course. I love spending quality time with the people that I love. And my second one is physical touch. So those are my top two that I feel are the most important, because those are the two that you identify with pretty much on a daily basis. So the fun part about this is that there's no cap to how many times you can take this test. So when I first took this test back in 2018, I think, is when I first heard about this test and I took it. The first time I took it, my top two were quality time was number one, which I think quality time is going to always be my number one, because that's me 100% in, 100% out. And my second one was words of affirmation. But when me and my husband were engaged, we took a premarital class, and they had the love language test there for us to take. And so we took it, and at first I was like, no, I don't really need to take it because I know my love language already and stuff like that. But they were like, no, your love language can change throughout, the years. And as you grow and get better, your love language changes. So I'm like, okay, but I think it's still going to be the same, because I think I'm still the same person. you know, just me talking shit. So we end up taking a test in 2020, and my love language changed for my second one. So it went from quality time and words of affirmation to quality time still being my number one, but physical touch being my number two. So I was like, oh, I've grown, I've changed a little bit, to the point where physical touch is more of my thing now. I would rather just be touching on you than you telling me how great I am, I guess. So that's what I mean when I say that it's no cap to how many times you can take this test, because you are going to change, you're going to evolve, and eventually you're going to start liking new things and realize that you're changing. Go ahead, take the test. It is so very beneficial, just so you can get to know yourself better, get to know the person that you with better, get to know those kids better, and even allow those kids to know themselves better when it comes to loving and those signs that they show of love. Because I do feel like eventually we will all experience wanting more from each of these signs. As you change and evolve as a person, I believe that you're eventually going to, at some point, score high in each of these categories in different ways and at different times in your life. When you need to communicate with a person who love language is quality time, then you know that you need to sit down in that one-on-one space, make them feel comfortable enough that it's just me and you talking. Here's what I need to explain to you. If you're talking to a person that's physical touch, you know you need to touch their knee the whole time while you're talking to them, or caress their beard like I do my husband, because I want to touch on him while I'm talking to him, just so that I can communicate what I'm saying to him in the best way possible, just so you're able and you're in a comfortable position to receive what I gotta say and what's on my mind. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias at Yes It's Dollface. And I will see you all back here tomorrow for day 6 of 7 Days of Love. Bye.